Let's take a look at the coding platform, Sam Studio. Within this platform, you have the ability to look at the projects which you have created, your classes, as well as any students that you have added as well. When you first launch Sam Studio, your home page will open up for you to view your projects. Your projects will either be saved to the cloud, which is the Sam Studio server, or can be saved locally to your computer as well. You can view your projects as either the ones that are saved to this computer or the ones that are saved to the cloud. You also have the ability to search for individual projects. If you have a lot of projects saved to the cloud or the computer, and you are looking for a particular one, this makes it easy to find the project that you would like to open up and use or to modify. By typing in a project name or a part of a project name, you can then easily find your project that you can then open up, you can rename, or you could share with others. You also have the ability to view any classes that you have set up. If you have not yet set any classes, you have the ability to create new classes. You can also view any active students that are assigned to you, any pending students that you need to approve, or the ability to add any students by email or through a code that you can share with your students. Under the Projects tab, you also have the ability to create a new project. Depending upon your subscription, you will either have access to Sam Space, Sam Blockly, or both coding platforms, Sam Space and Sam Blockly. If you would like to create a new project, simply select the coding platform that you would like to use. You also have the ability to import any projects that you have already created. You can either import a specific file or import any Sam Studio projects that were previously saved to your Google Drive. This is a quick overview of our coding platform, Sam Studio.